Hi. Here we are demonstrating the usage of a deep convolutional neural network-based linear BCell epitope predictor. In the home page, predictor, sample and supplementary data pages and menu bar, and a brief introduction in the below panel. The Predictor tab at the menu bar will lend you to the linear BCell Epitope predictor page. It is an easy-to-use tool to predict immunogenic epitopes from a provided protein sequence, if any available in the sequence. At the predictor page you will find a section to place or paste the protein sequence, out of which you want to find the candidate epitopes. You can use a plain text or FOSTA format protein sequence here, or simply click the above provided sample data button to use an example protein sequence. A BCell epitope is usually in between the length of 6 to 36 amino acid residues. Therefore, a scrollbar selector is provided to select the size or length of epitopes to predict from the provided sequence for flexibility. Below all this, a submit button is provided to submit the protein sequence to the prediction server for the prediction or classification of epitopes and non-epitopes. After the completion of prediction process, the result page will show the results in two ways. At the top, the identified epitopes and their ranges in sequence are presented. And below to this, the identified epitopes and non-epitopes are presented, within the whole sequence, residue by residue. You can find some more protein sequence examples in sample data page or download the complete set of positive and negative protein sequences by clicking on Supplementary Data tab.